While it's perfectly okay to hibernate your PC and still valid for many use cases, but still I prefer to use sleep mode and simply turn off my PC when I am planning to take a long break. My PC also starts faster from sleep and the SSD boots the device from a full shutdown state to the login screen in less than 5 seconds. So boot time is not an issue. Now if you don't want to use fast startup or hibernate your PC, you can delete the hidden hiberfil.sys file to free up sizable chunk of storage space on your drive that's often stored in C directory. So I'll show you what is that file. Just go to this PC, from there go to C drive. Here you can see a file named hiberfil.sys, that is hibernation file.sys. And if you go to the right side, you can see that the file size is 6.3 GB. It's a huge file size that consumed by this file. Now if you are not able to see this file, just go to the three buttons on the top, just click on that, then from there go to the options, and here just go to view and just look for hide protected operating system file. By default it will be checked in, so just uncheck it and click on apply and you will be able to see this file. Now I'll tell you what is this hiberfil.sys file. This is a system file associated with fast startup and hibernation. Windows offer three main power states: sleep, hibernate, and shutdown. Sleep keeps your session in RAM with minimal power draw, perfect for short breaks where you want instant resume. But hibernate, on the other hand, saves your entire RAM contents to a file called hiberfil.sys on the hard drive, which I have showed you. This is the file, and it is stored in this file. Then power off the computer completely. When you want to turn it back, Windows reads this file and restores your section exactly as where you left. However, this hibernation file reserves disk space, roughly 40% of your installed RAM. If you have a 16 GB of RAM, expect hibernation file to consume around 6.5 GB of storage space. Since I have a SSD, I do not require a hibernation because sleep modes works great for me for years, and I prefer a clean shutdown when stepping away from a long period. Because a complete shutdown clears temporary files, resets system process, and lets Windows install updates properly. So if you want to save a huge amount of space in C drive, deleting this hibernation file, then you can do it straight away. In this video, I'll show you how you can do that. You cannot directly go and delete it because it's a system file. And even if you somehow manage to delete it, Windows would recreate the file on the next boot. So the right way to remove this file is to disable hibernation entirely using a command prompt. For that, you have to open the command prompt. Just go to the start from there, just type in cmd, then run it as an administrator, and then run this command, that is power cfg -h off. That's it. Now after that, when you go to the C drive, instantly you can see that the hibernation file is gone and you have saved a lot of space too. Now in any case, if you want hibernation file to be back, then you have to use this command power cfg -h on. Now again, if you go back, you can see that the hibernation file is been recreated. So if you never touch the hibernate feature, then it's better to turn it off. So you can save a huge amount of space in C drive. So hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.